drive it to Ishita and then try to get to the net. That seems to be, I mean, to be fair, mixed doubles pretty much a similar strategy for most people.
Yeah. And another error from Gopi there.
And this is what happens when you expect the drive to go to your partner and suddenly your body weight is towards the right. Then suddenly you're surprised by the fact that you're getting the ball on the other side. So it makes it more difficult to volley.
Yeah. And a little bit of confusion there for the Mavericks, probably. Both of them on the same side and Gopi hitting the ball long.
The gap now is cut down to just 1 point. Nandi on second serve. So this is going to be an interesting. I think in the beginning of the match you actually mentioned this could actually come down to just a few points.
Yeah, and the Nandi Chargers have almost caught up to the Mavericks with the lead. Just 1 point, as Sid said. And that was a good serve from Saiti, but ultimately it was called short.
Yeah, sometimes she actually goes for this short, wide serve. When it goes in, obviously it's huge advantage because the ball pops and it allows her teammate to actually take advantage. But this time she missed out. And that's the other thing which she does well is even when she's moving back on the back foot, she's able to generate enough pace on her forehand to actually surprise the receiver.
Ooh, that is hit long by Saiti. Mavericks taking 1 point after what seemed like ages.
So, Anirudh, why do you reckon pickleball is such a momentum sport? Why do you reckon, when you take, I mean, it's similar to, I guess, the 12th over of a T20, right? Where after a bit of a break, suddenly momentum can, switch the exact opposite way.
Yeah, definitely. I think whether it's a singles match or a doubles match or, mixed doubles match, it doesn't matter if you're just 2 points away from victory. There's always a chance of the other team coming back and taking the match. I think we've seen that throughout this tournament and throughout any tournament in pickleball. We've seen historically, just because you have a very, very good lead doesn't mean you will win the match. You ultimately have to convert that lead into a victory. And till you win the match, anything can happen. So it's not a sport where you can take things for granted or where you can become complacent after getting a good, healthy lead. You ultimately have to see it through. Right till the end, anything can happen. It's a very, very, very unpredictable sport, and as Sid said, it's a sport definitely based on momentum.
8-6. There you go. Gopi now trying to build up bit of a lead. 9-6, and Nandi Chargers need to break serve here. Girish on return. I'm sure he's going to try to go down the line maybe. There you go. Gopi comes in the middle.
Another good shot from Gopi, hitting it in between both the players. I think he's taken charge for the last couple of points. And he's taken upon himself to build another lead like the one they had earlier, which was erased by Nandi Chargers. Let's see if they can erase this one as well. And as I say that, Gopi hits it into the net.
One thing which is very, I guess, not very prevalent and not quite known, especially by the viewers, is the change of pace when it comes to pickleball, right? I mean, especially when the ball comes in at X kilometers per hour and suddenly the pace is changed by 20%. It makes a big difference in the way the other guy returns. And a lot of people don't use that effectively, but the point earlier that Girish did, where he actually changes the pace up slightly, leading to an error, is a very underrated part of the sport.
Definitely, I think at whatever level you're playing, I think if you can read the trajectory of the ball, the pace of the ball, the spin the ball has, you'll be in a better position to hit a return and not do an error like what just happened.
And for the benefit of the viewers, if you see a lot of shots, especially drives that are going in the center of the court, normally they do that for two reasons. One, the center of the court is actually where the net is. Oh, what a point!
What a point!
What a point!
Good point from Gopi. It's all been Gopi last couple of points. Ishita doing her part, keeping the match going while Gopi has taken charge. The Chargers will be looking to break this momentum.
They already used their timeout, if I'm not wrong. So I think. Okay. So I was saying earlier, the reason why people try to hit the center of the net is the middle of the court is because the net is the lowest at the center, and secondly, it actually creates a bit of a confusion as to who's going to take the ball if you're playing doubles.
For sure. Oh, that ball went long. Good lob attempt by Ishita. The ball ultimately going long. The Nandi Chargers have broken the serve. They're at a 5-point deficit right now. sitting at 6-11, and Girish hitting it into the net.
Girish needs to hit a few third shots, and then he'll be totally fine. Once he gets the first shot in, he's usually good. So let's see if he can actually close the gap a little bit.
Ishita mistiming the ball and the ball going long.
And that's what happens when you actually are, when you're actually covering her backhand by using the forehand and he serves diagonally.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to actually, because the ball is coming into you.
Yeah, for sure. I think when you're trying to cover like one side more than the other, the opponent can read that sometimes and take advantage of it, like how we saw earlier. I think that's what Girish did. But ultimately, the Mavericks have broken the serve and gotten back the serve. Oh, amazing smash
Saidi
from Sahiti.
slamming that. Probably if
what
he
she's
went
did
underground,
best.
probably end up at Brazil.
Second serve for the Mavericks. Let's see if they can get a point here. And that's a no. That's a no. And the Nandi Chargers have broken the serve once again.
How many points you reckon Nandi Chargers will get on this service?
I think they'll be looking to get at least 2 to 3 points, if possible. See, there goes 1 point.
So this is what happens when you see Gopi obviously has to get to the net. There's no option, and suddenly when the serve is deep, you still try to flick it and come to the net, and obviously it makes it. I mean, the chances of making it are slightly smaller.
Definitely. Another deep serve from Girish, and Ishita unable to return that. We've seen a couple of amazing serves from Girish.
Yep, he's serving like John Isner.
Absolutely. And the Mavericks have taken a timeout.
One thing
Looking to break the momentum.
again, which is not surprising, if you look at Gopi's style, it's quite unconventional. It doesn't look like a tennis player, etc. He's actually a cricket player, which is quite interesting.
Yeah. He has a very casual style of play, I would say. For someone who's probably watching him for the first time, it's possible that they would think he just woke up from his sleep and gone to the court.
Gone to the park and then having a hit with the boys.
Exactly. But that's how he plays, right? That's how he rolls. That's how he plays.
Are we looking at the Nick Kyrgios of pickleball?
We very well could be. We could be. Hyderabad's own Nick Kyrgios.
And he's got a battle scar also, so I think, pirate Nick Kyrgios.
Yeah, he's a warrior for sure. He's had a couple of injuries throughout the tournament, but he's not stopped playing.
And I like the fact that Legs talking smack. It's good fun for the game.
Definitely, I mean that is probably another very fun part of pickleball is.
Yeah. But one thing which I like about him, he still respects the older players, right? I mean, end of the day, there's a line, he doesn't cross it, it's fun, and then everybody gets at it, which is the fun part. I mean, end of the day, I think that's when you actually, respect the sport as a whole.
Definitely. I mean, you can do all the fun and banter you want, but you definitely shouldn't cross the lines. I think all of us are ultimately part of the same community. We're all friends at the end of the day, and I think he knows that. I think everyone understands that. Oh. That was some good defense by the Nandi Chargers, but ultimately.
So 11-9 on serve. It's going to be close. They have to break them very, very soon. Otherwise, it's going to get more and more difficult.
Ooh, good
Nice
take
get
by Gopi.
Ishita using her fast hands and actually returning. That's actually a fantastic return. I mean, it's not a joke. Obviously, Girish finished it. That's also a very good shot. But that was a great return too. And Girish almost hit the net, but was able to have the balance of a ballet dancer, and not able to hit the net. Not hit the net. Neither did he touch the kitchen.
Yeah, I think he moves very well across the court. Again, you can see him shuffling through the court. There we go.
Back on serve, 9-11. I think this is where I think it's going to be a bit of a make or break for the Chargers.
For sure. It's just a 2-point deficit right now. Let's see if they can crawl back, get a couple of points, get the momentum going.
Stacking. Oh,
good deep return and great drive.
Another example where they expected to go cross court to Ishita, but then he went down the line. I mean, he took the risk and he got the reward. It's not the easiest shot in the world.
Just 1-point shot now. And we're at level scores now. It's 11 each. Match is getting very, very interesting, right, Sid?
Oh, dude, 11 all. I mean, you couldn't ask for more on a Saturday night.
Absolutely.
And the best thing is the teams have been really competitive, but played it in the exactly right spirit. There you go. Gopi fighting tooth and nail. Nandi Chargers don't want to give an inch. They are on second serve. Now they're laughing about it. They can understand how high the pressure is when you start laughing at certain points.
Yeah. Nice serve from Sahiti. Good return from Ishita. Gopi extending, and ultimately the ball goes out. The Mavericks have broken the serve. Scores are tied at 11 all. Let's see if they can grab a couple of points here. They're very close to the finishing point. Let's see who reaches there first. What a smash by Sahiti, but Ishita was able to return that, and the ball going long from Ishita.
One thing about Ishita, she's reaching most of the balls. I mean, putting them back is one thing, but reaching them actually is not that easy. And she's obviously a good athlete. And if she improves that part of her game, where you reach at the same time, slow down enough to put the ball back in the court, I think that'll add an additional 5-10% to her match, to her game.
For sure, I think all four players are very, very good athletes. They're playing to their strengths, and Sahiti hitting the ball out. Mavericks taking a 1-point lead, a very, very slender lead. Nice deep serve from Ishita, and Gopi couldn't hit that return.
One
Ball
thing is, you
going
see
to
when
the
Girish
net.
was standing, he actually smacked it all the way at the end, where it was literally the last 1 feet of the court. So he took the risk, worked out pretty well for Chargers.
Yeah. Good serve from Girish, and Ishita.
12
not
all.
able to return that.
Ani, I think you should become a prophet.
Another amazing serve from Girish. Ooh, this time Said is hitting it into the net. Gopi with a good return after the serve. Second serve for the Nandi Chargers. Sahiti to serve, Ishita to receive. Let's see how it goes.
Completely, to making sure it comes to a forehand.
Yeah. Ooh, and there. Gopi poaching from the middle, and ultimately,
Back on serve for the Mavericks.
yeah, the Mavericks have gotten the serve back. It's going neck and neck now. Could go either way. Let's see how it goes.
Ooh, back on second serve. One thing about Saidi is when she's on court, she's got a cheerleading squad, including herself plus everybody else.
Absolutely. I think she's definitely one of the most passionate players we've got. And Girish hits it into the net. The Mavericks taking a 1-point lead.
Oh, wow, this is close. This is getting close down to the wire.
All very tight right now. Let's see who blinks first. Ooh, and Ishita unable to return that return from
Now you
Girish.
can say it's anybody's game, mate.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's very fun for the neutrals to watch. It's been a great game so far.
That's
Ooh,
true.
amazing take by Girish, but and the ball's been called out, and the Chargers celebrating. Gopi and Ishita are
But
really
one thing-
confused.
One thing which is good about the whole tournament is, I mean, after the referee calls, there have been very few times where people just get on with it. That's the difficult thing to do because you're working too hard for every point, but
Yeah, for
that's
sure.
good sportsmanship.
Ooh, so slightly long. It's going neck and neck, guys. We're at 13 all. It's too close to call right now. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, good leave by Ishita and Gopi.
That's under pressure too, buddy.
I would have definitely tried to touch that ball.
Yeah.
But,
make that two of us. One serve done.
One serve is done.
13 all. It's unlucky for both. Now what's going to happen?
Yeah. I think we've seen this number not being lucky for any team so far. Ooh.
Let's go. Okay, Nandi back on serve. Is it lesser unlucky for Nandi? Girish on serve. I think Girish's serve has to make a big difference from here. Sorry about that technical difficulty. We're trying to get you back on track very soon.
Ooh. That was a good rally.
The second serve Chargers, 13 all. Saidi to serve.
Let's see if the Chargers can get a point here. They'll be touching distance from the victory. They can get 1 point here. That was a great return from Ishita. Girish unable to take it, hitting the ball into the net. The Mavericks have broken the serve once again. It's going neck and neck, guys. It's too tough to call right now.
And one thing good about experienced teams is, though they had the opportunity, they can continue, move on with it. There you go.
Ooh,
Fighting back.
Being a little over enthusiastic over there, looking to poach the ball, but ultimately hitting it long.
The only time Gopi is not over enthusiastic is when he's sleeping, brother. His energy level is always off the charts.
Absolutely. Ooh, the ball served
So
long.
back to Nandi.
I think we're seeing the nerves come into play right now.
Oh, for sure, man. I think there must be at least 500 people live here watching the match. Great reach by Saiti.
Ooh,
Nandi on second serve, 13-all. I feel like we could have gone outside, had a cup of tea and come back. The score is still the same.
yeah.
A second serve.
Saiti to
Saiti's
serve.
serve going to be the magic serve that's going to give Mavericks, Nandi a match point.
Whoa. Great smash by Gopi.
Gopi using his fast bowling action to actually go ahead and keep using it quite well.
Mavericks to serve. Gopi to serve. Let's see how it goes, guys. And there is the first break. There's one more serve to go.
Oh, just out, just by about half a feet. 13-all-1. So back on the Nandi Chargers. This is moving like a pendulum. No team giving an inch. It's almost, Gopi again using his Alan Donald fast bowling action to finish that point. Again, back to Saiti serve.
I feel
Let's see
sorry
how
for
the
the
lucky
ball
hand.
after today's match. Everyone smacking it around.
Oh!
Ooh, Ishita hits
Saiti
that long.
pulls an absolute matrix move that Keanu Reeves did to
1
actually win
point
that
from
point.
victory now. Ah!
Are you serious?
Serves broken.
13, 14,
14.
This is exciting stuff.
You think you go to deuce, Sid?
Oh, that's out there. Oh, returning the favor.
Nerves,
Somebody from the
nerves.
crowd said nice serve for the earlier one. I hope they repeat that again.
Ishita to serve. Let's see what happens.
Oh, that was a close serve, buddy. That's out.
Good try by Ishita, but
Still
ultimately the ball going long.
14-13. Match point. Match point. 14-13. Nice slice. Again. Not able to close it out.
Seeing a couple of
Girish
unforced
is-
errors here from both sides as they reach within touching distance.
Big serve. Girish.
Oh!
Good drop by Gopi. They're back on serve. 13-14.
Great athleticism by Girish, but ultimately he couldn't get the ball over the net. And the Mavericks have the serve again. It's going extremely tight right now.
I think
13-14
Were they
to
almost
Mavericks.
about 12-13 points or maybe 14 points?
Yeah, I think this is the
That-
longest
that-
match of the day so far.
Yeah.
For sure.
Apart from maybe the first match that Kirti Warriors played with the Titans.
Yep. And another error from the Mavericks. They still have a second serve though. Let's see if they can get a point here and take it to deuce. And they do. It's 14 all.
All Mavericks second serve. I think this point is as good as match point, Ani.
Absolutely. I think we're starting to see some nerves from both sides. Let's see who There's less errors right now to finish off the match.
Oh wow, that was unbelievable get.
What a point, guys.
Unbelievable
What a
get.
point.
Unbelievable get. Oh. There's going to be intense
There's the
pressure at
drama.
this point. This is the most critical point. So, ball is out.
Okay, I think the Mavericks have been awarded the point.
What's the-
It's 15-14 to the
15-14
Mavericks.
Mavs.
They're serving for the match. Let's see if they can finish it off here. Not on
Oh.
my watch, says Girish. What a return. Gopi unable to return that.
Oh my God! 14-15 on serve. Nandi Chargers. The crowd is glued to the match the way everybody else is glued to the television screen.
Ooh, another error from Girish. Losing
Ready
their
to make
first
the next
serve.
point count. Who serves? Girish's serve. So I think this is going to be interesting. He's going to go for it.
Amazing serve by Girish. Good return by Shitan. Sahiti ultimately unable to take the ball out the net. The Mavericks have gotten back their serve. They're serving for the match again. They have 2 serves to finish off the match. Let's see if they can convert it into a victory. Some amazing net play. And ultimately,
Great match.
the Mavericks have taken the match. It's been an amazing match. Probably the closest match of the night for sure. Definitely the most interesting one. You've seen some amazing battles at the net. Some great athleticism by both teams. But Mavericks ultimately taking the match.